Hi, it's Krista. This is take 2 of the video tutorial on the Student Weekly Mastery Target Report. There's been a few questions and confusion, so I want to help you through. So you've reviewed all your math helps. I'm logged into GradPoint here. And reviewed my math help. I've done my ALEKS assessment. Now I click on the Student Weekly Mastery Target Report. You're not going to be able to click anywhere else until you've submitted this link. It will not let you go forward because it's an assignment that needs to be done first. So I'm creating a new video, so you're going to watch the video, click the link to the ALEKS Weekly Mastery Report. You need to be logged into your Visions email, your VIEDU Gmail account through the school. Otherwise, it's not going to let you save. Okay, keep in mind, this is a template. Whatever you type on here, everyone can see. So do not enter any data. You must first make a copy. So you need to be logged into your Visions email. Click File here, not on the toolbar up here, but click here. Then go make a copy. After that, first and last name. So your mastery target report. Okay. So now you have 2 tabs at the top. Get rid of the template because I don't want you accidentally entering any data. And you know this is the right one because here's your name. Although it says my name, but if it was your name. Next step I want you to do is click share. You're going to share it 2 ways. You're going to go, you're going to change where it says private, change it to anyone who has the link. And then down here, allow them to edit. Click that button and click save. Now, although the link will be shared with me and Todd, I want you to go also to down here where it says add people, add Todd's, and add mine. Whoops. What happened? So Todd, well, I'm the owner, but still you can share it with me. And make sure it says can edit. Leave this box that says notify by email and then click share and save. I'm actually going to cancel it because I don't want to send a copy to Todd. Done. Okay, now this is where it gets people got a little confused. At the bottom there are 3 tabs: directions, semester A. So if you're enrolled in Algebra A, Pre-Algebra A, Geometry A, Algebra 2A, whatever, you're in whatever it might be, but it ends in an A in the course, then you're going to click on Semester 1A. If for whatever reason you're just doing the second semester of a course, like Geometry B, Pre-Calculus B, Algebra B, click on Semester 2B. They have different pacing. So I'm going to start in Semester 1. Now, I want you to only fill out the blue sections. Blue section number 1, my name. Course, you need to put in whichever course you're taking. I'll say I'm in geometry. And where it says total topics, that's the total topics in the course. And the way you find that is make sure you're logged into ALEKS. And when you log in, the first thing you're going to see is your PI. This is your PI. This is your course mastery. 121 out of 211. I've been working on a geometry course in the summer. So 124 is what I've mastered out of 211 total topics. So I'm going to put in here my total topics are 211. Yours may be different depending on the course. Of course, it's going to be different. Now, initial mastery. Although it says week 2, you're going to put your initial mastery, which is the mastery after your first assessment. Again, mine says 124. That's not my initial mastery, but let's pretend it is. It's going to pop out a mastery target for me. At this point, I'm kind of ahead considering it's the first week of school and I have 124 mastered. So you'll see it's only given me 2 topics to master. I would suggest at least doing 1 or 2 a day just to keep practice, just to keep going. in case something happens later and you're behind, that you don't want to get too far behind. So this 126 means for this week, that is where I need to reach. My pie right here needs to say 126 out of 211. Now, at the end of the week, Sunday night or Monday morning even of week 3, I go in, I check my pie, and I go, uh-oh, I'm still at 124, I didn't do anything. I would type in, this is at the end of the week, maybe the following Monday, I would type in my course mastery, and it would tell me now what I need to target, what my mastery target is for the following week. Obviously, it would be very silly to not do any when I only had 2 to finish, because you'll see my mastery grade is 0 because I didn't do anything at all. But if I just did those 2 and I reached my target of 126, my grade would be 100%. It's that easy. Like I said, your initial mastery is not going to be 124. If it is 124, that's fantastic, and but we'd probably need to move you into another course if that was your first assessment. Let's see. So those are the directions on how to find the right tab, how to make a copy. Now, where to submit the link. When you click share at the very top here, it says link to share. It allows others to edit. You're going to hit copy and then done. And then I'm going to go to GradPoint. At the bottom of my screen here of my assessment, it says open. Click open. And I would submit the link here and hit close. Actually submit. I can't submit because I'm not a student, but you would hit submit, and then boom, it's turned in, and you could then move on to setting up your notebook. I hope that clarifies a little bit more, and as we work with it more, it'll get easier and easier. But I'll send out the new link to this video, and hopefully it helps. Thank you.